McLaren's a company that's been around for 50 years. And Bruce McLaren was an extraordinary pioneer. He won his first Formula One race at the age of 22 at the time, the youngest ever. That spirit of always pushing to achieve greater things sits with us as importantly today as it did back in the early days when it was just Bruce with his small team of mechanics.
They believed that they could do better and they wanted to challenge the giants. It's very similar to us. McLaren has achieved a position in the car market that's similar to our position in the smartphone market. It's for people who know.
Well, the design mission for us in the studio is to build breathtaking products that tell the visual story of their function.
We always use the top-of-the-line specs in our McLaren edition. The startup process of the phone to sort of like startup of a car.
And the pattern on the back is using the same pattern as that we have on some of our cars.
The case with this device is a carbon fiber pattern and Alcantara materials to really give that same feel that people who grip a McLaren steering wheel experience.
Bruce McLaren chose papaya orange over 50 years ago, and that color now in a very subtle but elegant way comes through in the product.
I hope when people get this phone that they can really feel the amount of effort our teams have put into the design.
This is the OnePlus 7T Pro McLaren edition.